up, Ed?
Hey, Dai. How you doing?
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you as well.
What's up, Ed?
How's it going, B?
So Ed is one of my close friends and own this beautiful R32 GT-R. Super clean right now.
Thank you, thank you. Got it cleaned up for you.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Thanks, man. I've seen this car so many times, but I've never really, go detail with it. So I'd like to ask you a lot of stuff today.
Sure.
So how long have you owned this car?
This car I've had for about 4 years.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been a while.
That long?
Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah.
All right. And what's the reason why you wanted to get this R32?
This car is something I've always kind of wanted since I was in high school.
Okay.
Always enjoyed kind of these Japanese touring cars, and this was kind of the top of the top.
It's actually a lot of people's
dream car. Yeah.
I'm actually one of them too.
Yeah. We took a trip in 2015 to Japan with the Vesa Motorsports to Tsukuba. And I remember when we were leaving the track one day.
Oh, Tsukuba circuit.
Yeah, correct, yeah. And we were leaving the track one day and we were following a 32 outside. And it was one of the greatest sights that I've ever seen. So I knew one day I had to own one.
Okay, that's a good story.
Yeah.
And then I guess you got it right away.
Yeah. So it was only about a year later.
Okay.
I had no idea that I would have the opportunity to. But Sean and Yaska over at IVI, International Vehicle Importers, they had one available, a bone stock 91 GT-R. So I had to go take a look for myself.
Nice.
Yep.
And then you wanted to have this gunmetal color. Too.
Yeah. To me, this color was the classic have-to-have color.
I agree.
Yeah.
This is really nice, man.
Yes.
Okay, so you say this was bone stock.
Yes, was.
But now you did some modification. What
Yeah.
did you do to the car?
Yeah, so a lot of the mods are under the hood, full Grady catalog there.
Okay.
But externally, we have some T37s here. We also have some KW suspension, some V3s, and some Alcon brakes.
Oh, wow. Your brakes upgraded too, huh?
Yes. Yep, front brakes.
Cool.
Yep.
So how long did it take for you to build?
So this kind
of... it's like on and off, right?
Yeah, actually, the car turned into a SEMA project for 2018 for Grady Performance. So it was a little bit unexpected. I thought I was going to keep it stock for a lot longer, but it was pretty much within a span of 4 or 5 months, the car went from bone stock to kind of transformed.
So you did it for SEMA. Right?
Yeah,
that was the reason.
Exactly, yeah. The kind of GT-R is becoming legal and available in the United States again, so the market we knew was going to start coming back.
Gotcha.
So yeah, it's kind of a good start to that.
So you have any goals for this car, like in the future-wise, like what you want to do to it, or how you keep it?
Yeah, personally, I would like to try and keep it as stock-looking as possible.
Okay.
Maybe incorporate some of the modern, ECU and kind of tuning methods that are available, just to kind of bring this to 21st century a little bit. But for the most part, I think I'm pretty satisfied with how it is right now.
Nice.
Yeah, I want to kind of keep it like this.
Cool. I really like your concept because a lot of people have like white bodies, and my friend Miura-san made a really nice one. Looks cool, but to me, this is like already nice white body. Like, you don't really need much to it. So
yeah, the look is so classic.
Yeah, I like just the way it is. I know you have a lot of other cars too. What do you have right now?
I also have a 1980 911 SC and a 2006 Corvette Z06.
Cool, you got a lot of cool cars.
Yes.
But what is it like to own R32 in the United States?
It was an adjustment at first, definitely driving on the right-hand side.
Yeah, it's a right-hand drive, right?
And then it definitely gets a lot of attention on the road, so I try to drive it at night.
Is it more than like a Corvette or? Oh
yeah, definitely, yeah, much more. It's actually pretty amazing to see how many people just on the road randomly will know what this car is, and they all appreciate the car as well.
So you like thumbs up? Like people don't like...
Yeah, lots of thumbs up. And,
lots of love, right?
Yeah, lots of love, yeah.
And I'm sure a lot of people want to race with you, right?
Yeah, a lot of guys try and race, but I just kind of let them go.
Okay.
Just enjoy the drive, and happy to see other people enjoy the car as well.
So you were looking just for like a 32 specifically, like out of all the Skylines?
Yeah, so the 32 specifically, but also because of the 25-year import rule.
Yeah.
This car was federally legal, and then it also became California legal through IVI. So they did the whole process of legalizing the car. So this is a California state legal vehicle.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So you got a Japanese car German car, domestic car.
Yeah.
What's next?
I don't know. I don't have anywhere to park these things. So.
Italian maybe?
Yeah.
First world problems.
Yeah, first world problems. Yeah.
I need to find more garage space.
Exactly. Yeah, maybe Italian.
Oh,
think,
there we go.
I think, yeah.
Cool, man. So you're gonna let me drive this, right?
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
It's all ready for you.
Sure?
Anything
Sure.
do I need?
I think so. I think so.
This is a professional drifter, that's what I'm just saying, man.
I trust them. You have
used to
insurance,
that.
right? You have insurance?
I do,
Okay.
I do. As long as this is legal and
Yes,
yeah, I'm used to right-hand drive. So, but get this, I never drove a right-hand drive car in the States. So in a way, I feel like I'm gonna get confused. We'll see.
Hey,
I trust you.
don't-
You'll be
don't-
okay.
Don't tell him that, man. He can- He's standing right next to you. He can hear you, dude.
Yes.
If something happens, I pay for it. I say that.
Right? I got that on tape, man.
I built it so that it could be driven every day
Okay.
reliably. So yeah,
Do
really.
you drive it daily?
Not daily, no. But when I
could be,
do,
though.
yeah, when I do take it out, yeah, it's definitely reliable enough, and everything works
How
well.
much
and,
power do you think you're putting out?
It's about 350.
Okay.
Yeah, 350. Yeah.
Not too
Nice,
gnarly.
nice.
Yep. Very conservative tune, just to kind of keep this thing alive.
For
it's-
sure, preserve this guy,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't want to go too crazy with it.
Righty,
Yeah.
yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
I like
we
your
are.
concept.
Right,
Awesome.
Doug?
Yeah.
All right,
About to go crazy.
Let's go.
let's go.
This video brought to you by Ineos Oil. Do you know engine oil protects the engine by cooling it? Oil absorbs heat to prevent overheating and burning of parts. One of the many essential performance features of an engine oil to maintain your engine in good condition. If you love your vehicle the way I do, trust in Ineos lubricants to provide better engine performance. Ineos, because we love our cars.
All right, let's drive this guy,
Let's
baby.
go, man. Let's go. I've never been in a Skyline before, man.
Oh, really?
No, I have not.
That is
Actually,
exciting.
no, I take that back. I've been in
Oh.
Yokosuka.
You've been in Hakosuka.
Oh,
That's
I never-
even better, man. I have driven some R32s, but it was in Japan and it's been a long time. So, yeah, it's pretty exciting.
No, it's so. What's your favorite Skyline out of all of them?
R32,
Wow.
for sure. Yeah,
All right, so this is the dream right here.
yeah, pretty much. Everybody in our generation, right? Like, I remember when the car came out. It was like when I was like elementary school.
Uh-huh.
But it was so cool, so that I still remember that time. And I did like a drawing of the car and stuff like that too.
Gotcha.
Maybe I can show that to you later.
You still have it?
It was on my like graduation album.
What the hell?
So my mom or dad still has it. So I might just call them and find out. I love the sound of it too.
Yeah, the DD exhaust, man, is
Yeah.
killing it. How many 32s have you driven?
Maybe like at least 5.
Okay.
Yeah, but last time I drove one was like over 10 years ago. So yeah, it's been a while.
So what's it like driving a right-hand drive car on American streets?
Like I told you, this is my first time driving the right-hand drive in the States. You know, I drive Japan and here like always back and forth, no issues, right?
Yeah.
But I always drive left-hand drive in the States, right-hand drive in Japan. So now my head's kind of confused. Right now we have like I'm driving on the what do you call that? Center divider.
Okay.
So I'm fine, but once getting to like a small road, I might get confused. So let me know if I'm driving on the left side of the road.
I will definitely let you know. I'll definitely let you know.
But man, this car's good, man. I just drove for a little bit, but it feels really solid.
Right? Like, I think they changed the bushings or something.
Yeah,
because
that's what I was thinking.
the
Like,
chassis feels really, really solid.
yeah,
Stiff.
for 30 years old car. I know he did like a little modification, but I didn't think he did change those things. But I'm pretty sure he did.
Yeah, and it's not like squeaking or anything. It's like
Yeah.
everything feels really, really tight.
Chassis is very stiff. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not stiff like in a bad way. It's really like solid.
No, for sure.
Yeah.
Where are we going? We're gonna take this thing on the freeway?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it to the freeway and then get on to the bridge in San Pedro. So maybe we can open up a little bit.
Yeah.
But man, it kind of reminds me back in the days. Cause I used to own R32,
Oh, that's right.
but just Type M, not even GT-R. I think a lot of people feel this is like old and looks in a way classic, but to me this is more familiar than the cars nowadays for some reason. Because this is like my days, right?
No, for sure.
When I was driving the 32, early 2000, late 90s, the car was only like 2,500, stuff like that. I'm sure the GT-R was still really expensive, so never thought about like trying to get one because it's so expensive.
Yeah, totally.
But now even more worse situation was this car is like a lot more money than before.
Yeah, I mean, so many countries that they bottom up. Like, I'm sure there's a lot of them in Australia.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Australia,
So-
Canada,
Yeah, so
UK.
even in Japan, it's becoming really, really rare.
Oh yeah.
right?
To find the nice condition, it's very expensive.
Damn, this thing feels healthy.
Yeah, sounds so nice. Wow.
So what's the main difference of like driving like this and like a S13 or S14?
Well, it's a 4-cylinder SR20.
Yeah.
But this one got not just 6-cylinder, it's an RB26,
Yep.
right?
So that's all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
But I mean, like the size is kind of similar.
Yeah.
How's it feel in comparison to like
It
driving?
just, to me, like 6-cylinder versus 4-cylinder is a big difference, especially in this generation.
Yeah.
It feels more, I don't know, in a way it's solid.
Gotcha.
The engine sound, vibrations, all that stuff. Had a lot of RB20s.
Okay.
And
like
the
in your
20s
laurels and stuff?
Yeah, Rolls, the feel, and then the R32 that I had was a RB20.
Gotcha.
But this RB26 is like so special, like the torque and the power. I can still feel the power. And you hear this noise?
Yeah.
This is the old school, like a warning sound from the car. It's from the factory.
Okay. What is it supposed to do?
It goes on like after like you hit like 65 miles or something like that.
Okay.
But I don't think any of Japanese cars are doing it these days. But that was like back in like late 80s and stuff.
What is it supposed to warn you?
Just the speed.
Oh, I see.
So basically, once you pass a certain speed, I don't remember, it's like 105, 110 kilometers or something. Just warn you like you're going too fast, basically.
So for you, it was on all the time, right?
No, man. I don't speed on the street.
Yeah, none of us do. Man, this thing still feels really nimble.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like
Yeah. The engine response is so good.
What do you say, 350 or something?
350, but I don't feel like it's 350. It feels more for some reason. I know it's not, but it's just because of this, I don't know, the design of the car makes you feel like a lot more power or something. So you notice like a lot of people just watching the car.
Yeah, actually I have.
It's almost like every single car try to pass us or
Or they just want to come up and check it out.
I don't know. Like
That's a weird feeling.
I didn't know GT-R is this much attention for.
Right?
I didn't know people knows about this car this much.
Oh.
It's crazy.
Yeah,
I've driven the Ferrari, Porsches, and Lamborghini on the street.
And that gets a lot of attention.
Yeah, but it feels like this gets more than those cars.
It's just different, maybe, huh?
Yeah.
Like that guy right there. Like random, too, you know?
RB25.
It's 26. Not mine, but it's really nice.
It's yours. What are you talking about?
Nice Subaru, too, man. We're not judging. It's not a competition.
All right, go. Just kidding.
No, it's cool, man.
But people are really cool about this car too. Yeah, I don't know how many thumbs up I got from other people.
No, that's cool, man. Everybody's just kind of checking this out. Like,
Yeah. I want to open it up,
fuck it.
but it
Like,
might.
we can.
Can I go? Let me open up a
Yeah,
little
let's
bit.
do it.
Damn.
Oh, man. That felt
Dude,
awesome.
got it.
That felt, and we were going uphill on this bridge, man. That's crazy.
Wow.
Dude.
It sounds so good.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Wow, man.
I want a Skyline now. Fuck.
Dude, Wow.
This thing is, dude, seriously, for as old as this car is, man, it's still so relevant.
Really cool. It's really
Beautiful.
cool.
All right, man. Well, I think we've been joyriding in Ed's car for a good amount of time today, cruising through Long Beach and San Pedro area right here.
Yeah.
Beautiful day here in SoCal to drive a R32 Skyline.
Yeah. I feel like I want to drive a little bit more though.
Same here.
Thanks guys for watching this video, and please like and subscribe if you like this video, and let me know if you want us to review any other cars on the comment.
All right,
Thanks for
man.
watching, and see you guys on the next video.
Johnny.
Johnny.